Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the test corrections. First thing you're going to want to do is go to your email and look for an email from me with the um, subject score released executive branch test. Go ahead and click on it and it'll tell you the score that you got on the executive branch test, including your short answer questions. And oh man, I really need to do some test corrections, 2 out of 18. In order to do so, start by clicking this purple view button. And that'll take you to the actual factual test that you submitted. It'll show you the questions that you got incorrect and the correct answers for those questions. The next thing you're going to want to do is go to my Google Classroom, click Classwork, and the test correction tutorial post will pop up first. Go ahead and open up that post and click on this test correction form. Now you won't be able to edit this form just by clicking on it, so you'll have to make a copy of it. I know that's a few extra steps, but the reason why I did that is because I know not everyone will want to do the test corrections. So it's there for those who need to make a copy of it to do the test corrections, but it won't give you any extra notifications if you are happy with your score. So go ahead to make a copy, click File, Make a Copy, and you can go ahead and rename it. Just make sure you organize it in your Google Drive. So if you have an American government folder in your Google Drive, that would be a good place to put it. All right, once you've made your copy, then you will be able to actually fill in this form. Here's how you're going to fill in this form. There's 3 different columns. You have the number column, correct answer, and additional information. In the number column, you're just going to put the number of the question that you're correcting or the one that you got incorrect. So for example, on my test, I got number 1 incorrect, and that's all I put in this number box, number 1. All right, step 2, I need to put the correct answer for that question. So for number 1, Google form tells me the correct answer is D. You don't have to write out the rest of the answer, you can just write the letter D. All right, additional information. This is where a lot of people lose points. Your additional information should expand upon what's on the test, not just restating it. Here's what I mean. If we look at question number 1, the question is, which of the following is a qualification required by the Constitution for becoming President of the United States? And the correct answer was 35 years of age or older. On my additional information on my test correction form, I can't just put one of the qualifications to become president is to be 35 years of age or older. That's just restating exactly what was on the test. It's not showing your teacher that you fixed that question or you learned anything from that test correction. So what you're going to do is you can use your notes. You could do a web search if you would like and look for information about that question that's not in the test. So for example, I could look up other qualifications required to be president. Okay, so in this Google search, I see according to the Constitution, the president must be a natural born citizen of the United States, be at least 35 years of age or older. I can't use that one, and have been a resident of the United States for 14 years. So there's some information in this Google search that I can use on my test correction form, and I'm going to go ahead and just use this last one. According to the Constitution, the president must have been a resident of the U.S. for 14 years. That was also in your notes. So using your notes or Google search will get you the additional information you need. If you need to make corrections on the short answer questions, you can go ahead and on your test, make sure you review that feedback, and you can go ahead and just write your answer right in there. So if you needed to add on to anything, you can go ahead and just type your answer right on the actual factual test and resubmit it. And you will get full points back for your test. If you have any questions, make sure that you ask me via email, that Google Voice phone number. You can call or text that, or you can come to open office hours 1:30 to 3. Good luck, guys.